exponent x times 5 exponent x over 5 equals 100. Okay, so our equation becomes 5 exponent x times 5 exponent x equals 5 times 10. Okay, all right, so we are going to have 5 exponent x times 5 exponent x equals 5 times, now we can write 10 as 5 times 2. Okay, all right, so we are going to apply the first law of indices at the right part of our equation. Okay, so it states that a exponent m times a exponent c equals a exponent m plus c, and in this case the exponents are the same, so that means a exponent m times a exponent m should give us a exponent m plus m, which equals a exponent 2m. Okay, so our equation becomes 5 exponent 2x equals, now 5 is the same as 5 exponent 1. Okay, all right, so you're going to have 5 exponent 2x equals, now let's apply the quotient rule. Let's apply the first law of indices here. So we are going to have 5 exponent 1 plus 1. Okay, all right, so our equation becomes 5 exponent 2x equals 5 exponent 2. All right, now let's divide both sides of the equation by 5 exponent 2. Okay, in order to apply the quotient rule. So this and this will cancel. Okay, so we are left with 5 exponent 2x over 5 exponent 2 equals 2. All right, now let's state the quotient rule of indices. A exponent m over a exponent c should give us a exponent m minus c. So our equation becomes 5 exponent 2x minus 2 equals 2. All right, now this base and this base are not the same. Okay, so because of that we are going to apply log. So we say log 5 exponent 2x minus 2 equals log 2. Okay, now let's apply the logarithm definition at the left side of the equation. So we say log a exponent n base b equals n log a base b. All right, so we're going to have 2x minus 2 multiplying log 5 equals log 2. Okay, so this is what we have. So we're going to have 2x minus 2 multiplying log 5 equals log 2. All right, so let's divide both sides of the equation by log 5. Here by log 5. So this will cancel this. So we are left with 2x minus 2 equals log 2 over log 5. All right, now let's apply the logarithm, the change of this formula. Okay, to log a over log b should give us log a base b. Okay, so we're going to have 2x minus 2 equals log 2 base 5. So our equation becomes 2x equals log 2 base 5 plus 2. All right, so we want to make x the subject of the equation, so we divide here by 2 and then here by 2. Okay, so x equals log 2 base 5 plus 2 all over 2. Okay, so this is our answer.